In this tutorial, Forensic 9.0, we will review the False Color filter. False Color can be used to change the color palette of the video display. Under some viewing conditions, this may result in better perception of fine details. So we can go ahead and turn this on. Put it in Invert. Invert substitutes colors with their complements. Used on IR feeds, this model effectively switches between black hot and white hot output. Turn the processing on. Next, Jet uses Video Luma component and represents it as a Jet false color map. As a result, variations in luminance contrast are translated into color hue variations. And then our next option is the manual offset. It adds the offset to each RGB component and clips the values to 0 through 255. You set the offset via the slider. Offset range from -255 and 255. Default offset is 0. So move the slider here. Goes all the way to -255 and up to 255. Then the manual stretch adds the offset and scales to each RGB component. You set the minimum clip value and the maximum clip value, similar to the light and color manual mode. The clip range equals to 0 and 255. The default minimum clip rate value is 0. The default maximum clip value is 255.